everyone, I hope you all are safe and doing well. Welcome back to my channel. Tonight I'm walking you through my nighttime skincare routine featuring some of my absolute favorite products from RAS. So let's get started. First up, I cleanse my skin with the RAS Radiance cleanser, and if you have been following me for a while now, you guys know that I have talked about this so much on my channel. It's enriched with natural ingredients that deeply cleanses and brightens up your skin.
I love how it removes all the dirt and makeup buildup without stripping my skin. The gentle formulation leaves my face feeling clean and refreshed, which is perfect after a long day.
Next, I follow up with this RAS Brightening and Anti-Pigmentation Serum. Pigmentation is one of my top concerns, and this serum works wonders by reducing melanin production while gently exfoliate the skin.
This contains 2% alpha-arbutin and 2% kojic acid that targets dark spots and dullness. It's very hydrating, lightweight, absorbs quickly into the skin and doesn't leave any sticky residue.
I've been using this for a while now. This is my second bottle and I have seen a significant difference in my overall skin tone, and it also brightens up my skin. If you are looking for a good moisturizer for your nighttime skincare routine, definitely try this RAS Super Recharge Bakuchiol Night Cream. I know a lot of people are allergic to retinol. In that case, you can try this particular moisturizer. This is a perfect alternative of retinol without the irritation.
It's packed with ceramides and peptides to deeply nourish the skin while boosting elasticity. It helps reduce fine lines and wrinkles, locks in moisture, instantly plumps and hydrates the skin.
I love how it feels rich without clogging my pores, and it gives me that perfect amount of hydration. To add a boost of radiance, I use this RAS 24K Gold Radiance Beauty Boosting Face Elixir. Honestly, this product is a game changer. It contains 24K gold flecks that gives me that natural, radiant, glowy, dewy skin.
It's infused with real gold flecks, powerful vitamins like A, C and E that improves overall skin radiance and glow, reduces dark spots and pigmentation, hydrates and plumps the skin, and promotes collagen production.
This gives my skin a very soft, natural looking glow the next morning when I wake up without being too greasy. But remember, I use this at night only. You guys know my love for a quick facial massage, so lastly I'm going to recommend my Jade gua sha that I use at night for that quick relaxing session.
This basically contours and lifts the skin. Use it on your skin in upward strokes to lift, tone and relax stiff muscles and promote tissue drainage.
It just helps you to relax, it reduces puffiness and relieves tension, and also it helps improving blood circulation. And that's it, that's a wrap on my night routine with these incredible RAS products. My skin feels nourished, hydrated and refreshed by the time when I wake up in the morning. And I'm always ready to take on the day with a natural healthy glow. If you are on the lookout for products that work their magic while you sleep, I would definitely recommend you to try these products out. Just give them a try, I'm sure you're gonna love them. I know you guys are gonna ask me what lip shade I'm wearing today. It's also from RAS. So this is in the shade Nude Silk. I love how beautiful the shade is. I am obsessed with the formulation as well. I will definitely link it in the description box below in case any of you are interested. And yeah, that's it. I hope you find this video helpful and enjoyed this routine. If you do, definitely let me know in the comment section below. I would love to know that. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Remember, subscribing is for absolutely free. It doesn't cost you anything, but it will help me a lot. So please consider subscribing and join my fam. It would mean the absolute world to me. All of the product details, links, everything is mentioned in the description box below. So don't forget to check that out. And that's it for today's video. I will see you soon in my next video. Bye.